My camera wasn't on again.
Here are a few videos and clips I took of the Anyang Art Park. Anyang Art Park is just outside of Seoul. Not only does it have art installations to see, but if you're a hiker, you can take a hike into the forests and mountains in the surrounding area. Restaurants all around. There really is something for everyone at Anyang Art Park. There are recreational facilities like a swimming pool, which gets its water from the valleys. There are everywhere. There are walking paths, a stream to dip your feet in for kids, to swim in, museums, art galleries, and plenty.
This is nice.
So I really enjoyed my time at Anyang Art Park. This video is more of the scenic take. It's more about nature photography. If you would like to see art installations, I uploaded another video to my channel.
This would be a good place to shoot.
Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Leon Amor Brave, and
I really suck at this camera.
Vloggraphy and photography.